make some black powder. What you're going to need for this is a nice gram scale, container to put everything in, and separate containers to measure everything out in. What chemicals you're going to need is you're going to need charcoal, air float. It doesn't have to be air float, but I just prefer a nice fine powder of charcoal. You're going to need some dextrin. That is going to act as your binding agent for when you granulate it. You're going to need some sulfur, which acts as a binding agent and also as an oxidizer. And your main ingredient, potassium nitrate. Now what you'll need is this batch is going to be 127 grams. You'll need 94 grams of potassium nitrate. Now once you're done with potassium nitrate, you'll need 19 grams of charcoal.
There's nothing left, so save your breath, lying in wait. Caught inside this dirty away. Your cover's blown, nowhere to go.
Now you need 12.5 grams of your sulfur.
Fire your ghost, it's time to run, blow me away. I will stay, let's stay. After the fall, we'll shake it up, show me the way.
You'll need 1.5 grams of dextrin.
Lead me to heaven where we die. I hear a shadow.
Now that you have all your chemicals weighed out, you need to put them all in one container and just kind of stir it by hand. Now if you want a really good fast burning black powder, this needs to be ball milled. This is my ball mill container. Normally I ball mill for roughly about 4 to 5 hours. That gives you a nice consistent ball milled powder and mix. So just kind of put these in your ball mill, close it up nice and tight, give it a little bit of a shake, and then that will go in the ball mill for 4 to 5 hours. Alright, now I'll prepare a little bit of a test tube launch. It's just going to be an empty tube with some paper packed on, just to give you a nice pop. This is going to be with granulated powder, but I have right here just a little bit of each kind of the black powder. This is before ball milling, after ball milling, and then after granulating. We'll light those off, show you the different burn rates of each one. But for this you just need a little cardboard tube, put some packing in the bottom, just some paper, and then tape the bottom so it seals. Put a hole in it about the size of your fuse, stick the fuse in, and just take about 1/4 teaspoon, not even, just right about a 1/4 teaspoon of powder. Put it down the tube, just a little bit more, depends on how much of a bang you want, but that's roughly about 2/4 teaspoons, so it's about a 1/2 teaspoon. I just take any kind of paper and kind of shove it into the hole, and you'll need to pack it down against the powder so that gives a nice seal so the gases can expand.
I set my sights on you, no one else will do, and
That'll be a little bit of a test. 3 black powders. We have non-ball mill, ball mill, and granulated. Do a quick first. As you can see, it burns relatively slow. Burns quite a bit faster. And our last one. Gone. This is my test launch tube with the granulated powder.